Awesome. And I want to ask kind of typical timeframes. I think, based on the successful traders you've had come through your program, what's typical that someone kind of scales up, as far as, and I know that that's going to be different based on their education and skill level and things like that, but just what can someone generally expect as the normal as far as how much time they're going to have to invest in hitting each 10% mark? What's general?
So on average, we have observed that our traders take roughly 1 month to reach their target. And we have also noticed that this time frame reduces between one target and the other till a certain point. So that's what I can tell. But as you were saying, it really varies and it really depends on the trader that we are looking at. As I was saying, we can have scalpers, we can have swing traders. There are different traders, different strategies. Traders that do that like full time, or you can have traders that only do that part time. So there are like a lot of elements that that affect the time.
And it could be as simple as someone's trading methodology. If they only have the circumstances to trade the daily, let's say, into the monthly direction, then they're going to have less frequent opportunities, and it's obviously going to take longer. So,
but on average, we can see is 1 month.
1 month.
On average is 1 month. Awesome. I always give this example to our traders. I think, we have discussed that already, but with us is mainly the Forex market on the funded trader program. So majors and cross-currency pairs. So if, for example, you think about cable, pound dollar, that is one of the most traded pair for obvious reasons, of course. But with our rules, so on the $15,000, they can have a maximum exposure of 0.5 lots, so half a lot. To reach the 10% target on that pair, you need, working at 0.5, you need 300 pips. That's the example that we always give. 300 pips. If you only want to make, on average, 10 pips a day, which I think is acceptable. It's something that can be done for an experienced trader, which again, it's our target. Then roughly it's going to be 1 month. This is usually the guidelines that we provide when we get this question.
Awesome. And I think that 10 pips a day for someone investing the time to learn this, and if they're trading lower time frames, say like a 5 or a 15-minute chart, somewhere in there, that's very reasonable to make 10 pips. Pretty small move. So
I don't want to say it's easy because I don't want to make that mistake. But it's something that we believe can be done for someone that is approaching us saying that he has experience in the market. Simple as that.
Absolutely. And it's definitely that's a lot of people come in. They're like, there's so much movement in these markets. How can I not just, get a few pips out of that? It's like, well, you know what? You might be only trying to get 10 pips, but you might take 2 -5s before you get the 10. And now you got to make it back plus another 10. So it's not a straight line equity curve usually.
No, it's not. It's not true.
Awesome.